You want to tell the press people what can they expect from the movie? Anything you want to share with us?
Hello. Hello everyone, good afternoon. I am Enzo Pineda. I am one of the actors of GLU. And finally, I'm very happy na matutuloy na po yung pinaghirapan po naming pelikula. For me, this is one of the films na inabangan naming lahat because we had so much fun making this film. And finally, lalabas na po ito. Alam naman po natin na LU is a popular destination in the Philippines. And I do hope after nilabas tong pelikula, we can encourage also other people to visit LU. At the same time, to those who are asking, GLU is a barkada film. 5 po kaming lalaki dito who are dealing with different challenges in life. So six. So we decided to go to La Union one last time to settle all our problems within the barkada and family, and of course to have fun. And to those who are asking, my character here is Brian. So kami mga Derek dito ang magpinsan dito, kami ang dynamic duo. Makikita niyo para kami B1, B2. Nagmamahalan at nag-aaway all the time sa pelikula. And I do hope you can spread the good news po na napakaganda po ng pelikula visually and storytelling wise. And thank you so much for coming here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Enzo. Grabe, kinakabahan ako. Baka masabi na niya yung kwento. Pero, thank you so much for the info. Kasi for everyone who's, hearing about this for the first time, na-excite lahat, na-curious. David, what about you? What can you tell our press people what to expect from this movie?
Hello. Ba't tinatatawa?
Excited ako sa sagot.
Hello, thank you for being here sa press. Alam ko na malaking may tulong nyo when it comes to promotion ng movie. And I want to acknowledge, sino ba lang dito? Si ALV, boss namin yan. Hello. And and sa mga people working with ALV, alam ko na pinaghirapan nila to na ma-release, kaya thank you so much. And going back to your question, again, ano yun?
What can press people expect that they can share, with everyone since we're promoting this film, which will be opening next week?
I think this is a movie wherein barkada kami, and each and every one of us, meron kaming tinatakal na problems from love to family to gender issues and mental health issues. So I think the Gen Zs and the millennials nowadays will be able to relate. Ano ba lang? Situruan niya ako sa dito eh. Will be able to relate dito sa movie na to. And I'm super excited dahil for me, this is my second movie na ginawa. And I think ito yung movie na naging close ko, sila Enzo, sila Derek, diba? And now I'm super close to Derek so dahil dito sa movie na to. Pati na rin si Enzo na tinuturuan akong ano relate, diba? So, ayun. Tsaka, ano ba, pwede sabihin pare, ano?
I guess you can share what's your character name. Para
my character name here is Patrick.
Patrick, okay. Si Patrick, si David. Thank you, David. Katarina, what can you tell us? I guess this is your first movie. Katarina.
Yes, so this is my first movie, and this is the movie that sparked my wanting to act. So because of directing up the production, the entire cast, this is when I knew, okay, sige nga, I think I do want to do acting. I had so much fun working with everyone, with these talented and pinaka-guwapo na castmates ko, grabe. It was so much fun being on set, and as I said before, if shooting all movies was this much fun and seamless, I would shoot 1,000 more movies. Kasi ang saya talaga, tapos yung location mismo ang ganda. La Union, it's the surfing capital of the North. I've been many times, and I mean, I think the key word is relate, but relate. I think so many millennials and Gen Z could relate to this Barkada film kasi naalala ko yung many times na nag-disappear ako sa LU. I would drive myself biglaan lang because of something I'm personally going through. So the storyline is very relatable. My character's name is Kathy, and I'm the love interest of Carlos, who is the character of Kiko Estrada, who's not here today. And I represent the girl Barkada of the film. So I'm the only one here today, but it was a great first experience in acting for movies, and I'm just excited. I actually haven't seen it yet, so I'm so excited to watch it. I'm excited for everyone to watch as well, and I think that we're all gonna enjoy. And yeah, I hope this is the first of many movies that I'll be doing.
Wow, very well said. It feels like I'm watching you again in a pageant. Very well said. Thank you, Katarina. Of course, Derek. Derek, what's your character name and what can we expect from you in this movie?
So, sino talaga ako? I think I'm Ryan. Medyo nakakalito kasi almost same yung name namin. Siguro, first of all, I would like to thank everyone na pumunta rito. I know it's traffic and yung iba sa atin coding pa, like me na nahuli pa ako. Anyways, thank you all for coming again. And siguro kung masabi ko lang, there are a lot of Barkada films who came out na, and siguro ang difference ng GLU sa lahat ng yun is we're really friends, and we're not just friends, we're really close. So most of our lines here, parang hindi na namin sinusunod, ad-libs na lang, ganun. Kasi yun talaga ganun talaga pag Barkada eh. And siguro this film also reflects on how Gen Zs are and their experiences. So yun po, yun yung mga abangan dito sa film. Ang daming conflicts, may major plot twist sa dulo, so yun po yung abangan niyo.
Wow, that's a tidbit. Thank you so much, Derek. And of course, kahit lumipat siya, TJ, ayan naman. TJ, who are you on this film?
So, I'm playing Raymond. Ayan, una-una, thank you sa lahat na pumunta ngayong hapon. Maraming salamat. Finally, lalabas na po ang GLU. So, yun, ang hirap na sabi na nila. So, wala na akong naisip kung hindi perfect Barkada film to. Relatable to kasi lahat nag-LU, lahat pupunta ng LU, nagpaplano. So, for sure, after nila mapanood itong palabas na to, diretso agad din magbubuk agad sa LU. And dito, more on sa film, hindi lang Barkada, hindi lang coming out of age. Makapakita rin yung gano'ng maganda yung LU. Nalibot namin lahat. And talagang marirealize nyo na ang dami palang magagandang place sa Pilipinas. So hopefully, panoorin to ng lahat, lalo-lalo na ng mga kabataan nila.
Yan. Thank you. Thank you for summarizing the answers of everyone, TJ. But of course, ang curious question nating lahat how long did you guys have to prepare when you were making the film? How long physically did you guys have to prepare for it? Physically and mentally. Start natin siguro kay Katarina. Katarina, this is your first movie, so how long? Gano'n ka katagal nag-prepare for this?
It might have been, I can't, because it was years ago, but if I remember correctly, mga 2 months before, if I'm not mistaken, naalala ko, we sat down in the Rain Entertainment office. We even tried, Tita Malu also was coaching us once we knew our characters. Pero there, hindi ko alam kung naalala ko, I tried the other character, the character Michelle B also. So, we were dabbling with the different characters kung sino talaga yung mas fit para sa akin. And this is when I realized it's so helpful to have a coach, to have a role and then have a coach work with you directly para sa role na yan. I also remember when I first met Kiko Estrada, I didn't like him. Of all the boys, I was like, he's kind of rude. But then, he's a very good actor and he made my job. Do you guys remember that? I think I even told, yeah, we did a workshop na just him and I also, because hindi ko talaga na-feel siya. We were not really talking. And then you told us, the two of you sit down together whenever you're taping together, you sit there in the corner, just the two of you. So we were forced to spend time together. And then in the end, of course, like, we grew fond of each other, and I think he was a great co-actor to work in front of and beside, because he helped me, I think, with my acting. Kasi magaling talaga siya eh. And the coaching helped, your direction of course helped so much. Was like, okay, do you remember? Was I good? Was I bad? I'm excited to see. Yeah.
Thank you, Katarina. Okay, one last question before we open the question to the press. Nakaka-distract kasi yung likod, di ba? So parang hindi talaga namin maisip, no? Sino ang pinaka-disiplinadong mag-workout sa mga boys during the preparation for this film?
Tingin ko po kaming lahat. Kasi
Okay.
during the film, nag-workout kami together in the morning. We do like a 5-kilometer run, then we lift weights after. So I think it was a balanced, healthy lifestyle naman, besides gimmick.
That's awesome. Thank you so much, Enzo, for covering for the group. And now we are formally opening our Q&A segment. So I hold the mic and I will go to the press person, people, representative that will be asking the question. So hindi na tayo maglalagay ng mic dito so we won't disrupt this camera angles. I will go to your area and then you can ask a question to our cast and director. Who wants to go first? Meron po ba? May question? Sige po, kayo po. Please mention your name and media affiliation po. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon. Christian from the Showbiz Now page. My question is for Direk. You look young. Pwede kang sumabay sa sa cast. So, how did you guys come up with the story? I don't know if with the story of this Barkada film.
Well, so GLU, thank you to Arnold for trusting me with my first feature. So, being my first, medyo tungkol sa buhay ng pinagdaanan ko with my barkada also. So that's the main inspiration. Yung parang any barkada, di ba, may last hurrah kayo, last trip before you go work or whatever. So yun.
Alright, thank you, Direk.
Thank you so much. Anyone else? Hi, Sir Jerry. Here.
Direk, what's with the April 24 at yung isang movie, Elevator, kasabay pa nitong GLU?
Hindi ko alam, parang nagkataon, pero since Chinese ako, naniniwala ako baka swerte for 24-24. So sana swerte nga for both.
Festival. Kumusta yung makikitrabaho dito sa mga aktor na ito na considering na after doing GLU, ang layo na lang narating ng kanyang career?
Super nakaka-proud. I mean, nung 5 years ago, parang, medyo bago, medyo some of them bago pa rin. So, super proud na seeing them kasi connected pa rin naman kami through social media. So you see what they're doing. Si David nga, may bibilan akong burger nung pandemic. Siya pala may-ari. So, wala lang, nakakatawa na, yun, I'm very proud of everyone, the cast. Even sila Kiko, sila Ruru, ganyan. So, super proud.
Kumusta yung pag-direct sa kanila dito sa group? Kumusta yung dynamics nila?
Sinasabi ni Derek, super friends talaga sila lahat doon eh. So, minsan magulo, bugoy din ako, minsan sabayan ko sila sa gulo. So, but overall fun, very, very steady yung shoot natin. And because LU nga, yung vibe, hindi ka, stress ka na, pero makikita mo yung dagat, tatamaan ka ng hangin. Parang may natural na pang magre-relax kayo because you're in such a beautiful place.
Di ba, mga wala ko silang ere naman doon na kahit yung mga babae?
Wala naman. Parang surprising. I mean, for pogi at maganda sila, parang wala namang vanity, wala namang ganong egos na nag-ano. So, I'm very appreciative of the entire cast.
Doon sa cast, ano sa tingin niyo yung ginawa niyo sa movie para mag-stand out kayo? Kasi ang laki ng cast eh, ang dami ninyo. Ano yung kumbaga may moment, shining moment ninyo?
So, tuloy ba lang?
Na sila sa mga cast?
Siguro shining moments kanya-kanya eh, kasi talagang may kanya-kanyang unique quality talaga yung bawat isa na may offer sa pelikula. siguro talagang panoorin nyo na lang kung ano yun. So, hindi namin ibibigay yun, pero talagang ma-appreciate ng bawat isang character kasi lahat magaling, lahat, binigay lahat nila yung best nila.
Ano po bang qualities?
Yung parang mapansin ka talaga, hindi ka matapunan, di ba?
Wala naman po. Ako for my character, gusto ko lang makasabay sa apps nila, Derek, TJ, and David. So, try my best. So, sana.
Ako naman, I think at that time, yung competition na nakita ko was yung sa katawan. Diba? Parang, ano kami, parang mas mata ko sa'yo mga ganun lang naman at that time. Siyempre, 2019, we were, bata pa kami noon, diba? So, yun pa lang yung problema namin. Yung abs, diba? Parang may cuts ba ako? Mga ganun lang. So, when it comes to acting naman, iba-iba naman yung roles namin, and I think balance naman siya when it comes to like spotlight. So,
Katarina.
I would say, for the boys naman, yung characters nila mismo, sobrang iba. So I think that the storyline per character is really their own. And yung mga kwento kasi per character is so distinguished that I haven't seen it, but feeling ko lang from the vibe of when we were shooting, the audience will be so invested in every single story. For the girls naman, I don't know, you're gonna have to watch kasi hindi ko talaga maalala, pero feeling ko for the girls, kasi iba din yung mga storyline namin, and I can't remember kasi yung story. Yeah, everyone has a highlight. All I know is that, oh my God, sinabi ni Direk, I kissed Kiko, but that was my first. Direk naman, just, watch the movie and you will see how different we all are and how the story develops and how much fun we had shooting it also.
Eric.
Yung question was how you stand out, no?
Oo, sa laki ng cast ninyo.
Well, siguro para sa amin, walang nag-stand out kasi lahat kami nag-connect sa isa't isa, and that's the most important. Yung pag sinabi mo kasing may magsa-stand out, ibig sabihin nagsosolo siya sa acting niya. Pero lahat kami dito is works towards one goal, and which is pagandahin yung film, and magkaroon kami ng natural chemistry. And which happened naman, na makikita niyo sa trailer namin, na hindi ko rin na-expect na grabe, mga reactions namin very sincere, very candid. So nakakatuwa kasi hindi namin to in-expect Nung titignan namin yung script, parang script lang siya, pero nandun na parang may buhay na. So yun, nagko-connect kami sa isa't isa.
Si Dondo naman daw magtatanong, Don Servino.
Sensya na. And para sa cast, ano yung may consider ng parang memorable experience while doing the film? And of course, experience din sa L.
Si David.
Yung pwede lang ikwento or yung pwede rin naman yung hindi pwede ikwento.
Yung mga adventures ni David pagkatapos ng shooting.
Like,
well, yun nga. Actually, yung pinaka-memorable dito is when we wake up every day at 6 a.m. to run. Because I'm not a fan of running talaga, pero like pinupush nila ako talaga kasi more on lifting weights, pero like cardio in the morning. Siguro doon din talaga nabuo yung bond namin sa ginagawa namin. Like makikita nyo sa buong island bang Elio? Sa buong island, umiikot kami at talagang nakikita kami ng mga tao na naka-topless, tumatakbo. So yun yung pinaka-memorable para sa akin.
Katarina, ikaw, pinaka...
I think the most memorable would be the shots we shoot at night. Kasi medyo pagod na ako. So ito yung time na natatest talaga yung stamina ko kung kaya ko umarte at mag-Tagalog sa late night. And I feel like kasi you're waiting to finish the day, but then we were having so much fun and you don't want to disappoint anyone. Kasi again, ito yung first film ko, so I remember this part being the pinaka-challenging na part for me personally because I love sleep. So, and natutulog ako ng medyo maaga. But it was, again, so much fun, and I would sometimes be like, are we almost done? But then, you know, I learned a lot on the job also, which was, I think, the most memorable part for me.
Okay, memorable, pero hindi naman traumatic experience.
No, not at all. Like I said, if every movie was shot this seamless, and I think the dynamic of the cast was like this, I would shoot a house at one.
Maybe.
Most memorable, I think yung meron kaming one time na nag-shoot kami sa saan ba yan? Yung basta yung katabi ng Flotsam. Yun. So yung yung Flotsam kasi hindi nyo alam, party place siya. And at that night kasi na nag-shoot kami, weekend pala yun, so Saturday. So ang ginagawa namin ni Derek, tsaka ni Enzo, tsaka lahat yata tayo, no? Na hindi alam ng production, pupunta kami ng Flotsam para uminom. Oo, in between ng mga scenes, diba? So, parang I think hindi nangyayari yun sa mga regular shooting na teleserye or movie. And ayun na nga, goes to show na parang naalala ko tuloy na yung GLU pala yung pinaka-relaxed and most fun na movie or teleserye na nagawa.
So, direct na nag-shooting sila kahit medyo tipsy sila? Ay, hindi naman.
Ano lang, hindi namin, ano lang siya.
Kasi in between, ano.
So, like, una say we're shooting by the beach. Eh, syempre mga pagets pa itong mga to. Narinig mo yung gimmick eh. Sa paligid mo, so parang sila, alam mo, hindi ka na naman pack up para makapunta na eh. So, pros naman. Hindi naman.
And so,
ako, likewise, kung ano yung sinabi ni David. I think if I can remember that time, wala akong taping nung araw na yun. So, habang I was doing my own thing, gumigimik ako with my friends na hindi part of the movie. After that, sila David and Derek naman and the rest of the crew sumunod to enjoy the night. So, besides napakagandang lugar ng LU, it's really nice na nung time na yon, we were one of the first na bago pa mag-peak talaga ang La Union. Nandun na kami na nag-hangout, gumigimik, wala pa masyadong as development compared to now. So may pagka somehow raw pa yung bare pa yung LU before. Right, which is right now, napakaganda pa rin ng LU.
Follow up ko na rin since ikaw naman yung gumigimik. Sino sa mga nakasama ko ron ang pinakalapit din ng babae? Yung nakikita mo talagang malakas yung market.
TJ.
Si TJ.
Para sa akin siguro si Kiko or si David.
Para sa akin si Enzo talaga.
Patingin
niya pare.
Hindi, single ka naman nung time na yun, di ba? Nung nag-shoot kayo nito, wala pa kayo ni Michelle. So okay lang naman.
Time na yun, okay lang gumimik.
Okay. Pwede na lang maraming babae.
Wala, hindi po.
Sabi ni David.
Napitin pero hindi pinapansin.
Wow.
I got you, bro.
And you, TJ, yung memorable na.
Memorable. Siguro yung mga sabay-sabay kami kumakain. Minsan kasi pag walang ginagawa, sabihin, doon tayo mag-lunch. May masarap na kainan doon. So sabay-sabay kami kumakain doon as a group. And yun, actually nakakaano rin, memorable sa akin, yung kasi pare-parehas kami tinutulog ang kwarto. And nahihiya ako baka mamaya sobrang pagod ko, hihilig ako, kaya hindi ako makatulog na maayos. So, pero mukha naman tulog naman lahat, so lahat yata humihilig din dahil sa pagod. Tsaka yung kissing scene ko kasi tinuhog ko yung dalawang mag-jowa. So, abangan nyo kung sino mag-jowa yung tinuhog ko, kaya memorable sa akin.
Babae lalaki.
Secret.
So, ikaw pala yung ayun ang sinagot sa
sabi niya, lapitin daw ako, so try natin.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ayan, dito naman tayo sa next table. Anyone from this table po na may questions? Meron?